Good morning. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Y'all got poop all over my porch. Good morning. Hey, Ruby Woo. Burk, 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 burk. We ain't named him yet. If y'all can put a comment down below. We ain't figured out what kind of name we want to name him. Y'all excuse, I ain't washed the porch off. Let's go check the new babies. Let's go check the new baby. BJ. BJ. Hi, sissy. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, look at y'all. Good morning. BJ. Them ladies drive you crazy? Let's see. Good morning. Hey, Sunflower. That's Sunflower. That's Jasper. Oh, I'm sorry. That's Daisy. That's Sunflower. Hi, Sunflower. Hi, baby girl. Daisy. Daisy. Hi, sweet girl. Look at this. There's my baby girls. All right, let's get your feed. Come on. Come on, ladies. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, Rudy Roo. Come on, let's go. Oh. Hey, Mr. Rooster. It's my Easter egger. Here comes Cheetah. Good morning, Cheetah. Good morning, Cheetah. And there's my babies. Hi, Big Pigs. Hi, Big Pigs. Good morning, Big Pigs. Oh, Rita, good morning. Good morning, Petunia. Good morning, Miss Petunia. Porky Pork. Porky Pork. Come here, buddy. Yeah, I know. Y'all want your food. Hi, Sophie. Yeah? That was the Easter egger. Come on. Oh, I forgot to turn my phone. Okay. Come on. Look at these guys. I can't get... Come on, get out of the way. Come on. Get... Oop, look at that. We got eggs already. Yep. Have to come back out in a little bit. Oh, where was the thing? I left the bucket thing way over there. Well, I got everybody riled up this morning, don't I? Oh, I hear you, BJ. I hear you, BJ. Oh, my God. Y'all gonna make me fall. Make my viewers dizzy. Come on. Get out of the way. All right. Oh, well. Come on. Come on, ladies. There you go. All right. Ooh, y'all. It's a gloomy day. It's supposed to get rain this afternoon. Pig pigs. Pig pigs. Oh. Let's dump it right there for now. Good girl. Petoonie Toon. All right. I'm out of breath, y'all. Let's get the baby goats food. Whew. Everything's a mess. I ain't been able to get out here and clean everything up. And get them babies some food. I'm coming. I'm coming, sweet babies. Yeah. I'm guys. Good morning. Here we go. There we go. Come here, BJ. Come on, BJ. I know. I suck at doing this camera this way. I should have just set it up on the tripod. Now, everything's all quiet. Everybody's eating. I'll come back out probably in a couple hours to make sure they've laid all their eggs for today. So far we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we usually end up with about 18. So I hope that you guys have a wonderfully blessed day, and we'll see you again real soon. Cheers!